Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a lot of money on TikTok this year. Things have changed a lot according to the recent algorithm from TikTok, so let me show you the shortcut of getting yourself in front of the right people. So first thing I want to show you over here guys is that when you go on your profile, when you click on the three straight lines on top right, I want you to click on Creator Tools, okay? When you go on Creator Tools, I want you to go over here where you see the monetization, okay? So when you go on monetization, I want you to come over here and look for subscriptions, okay? This is where all the people who like you, follow you, and essentially participate in your live stream could contribute to over $100,000 a month, okay? So this is possible, and this is based on your current followers and based on subscribers and based on assuming that you're doing live streams, you're getting a lot of tips, a lot of rewards. This is live subscription, okay? Now let me show you how you can actually do that. So when you come over here on live, you will see different people doing different stuff. You either can just sell your time by simply spending time with your community, showing them how to do something, like this guy showing how to do something, or you can simply spend your time promoting something. For example, you see this guy is hanging out, they're giving him tips, they're paying him, but other people are actually selling products. The other people are actually, you see, they're testing new items, they're doing reviews, they're showing, there's certain bits over here. Someone is actually selling, I don't know, like a soccer, I don't know what this actually is, but it's like essentially, anyone with their own ideas, with their own products or services or businesses or hobbies or knowledge can do stuff. You see these people, they know how to sing, they're running a show, and they got tips, plenty of tips. Who will be spending his Sunday afternoon doing live streams? And if you look at the upper left corner, they have already 45k likes. These people are easily in my opinion making maybe thousands of dollars just doing these live streams, playing some music, right? It's another guy doing some freestyles. You probably can request a freestyle for you, like a greeting for your birthday, your friend or something. See, this guy's probably talking about fish and aquariums, or I don't know, some tips. Somebody's playing video games. The main point over here guys is that you no longer has to do the dropshipping stuff, e-commerce. You can simply have your account here, have your audience here, and we just run the daily live streams, and people will subscribe. And as we saw, the range of possibilities is unlimited. People, according to TikTok, estimates you can make 100k a month just by having subscribers. Not talking about getting tips every day or gifts every day. We're talking about people who just subscribed, they're paid subscribers, and you're making $100,000 over there. So this is the number one thing that I want you to focus in 2024. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more.